All right. So, what I'm going to talk about today is if you're using Trader Workstation or Interactive Brokers for that matter, and you end up using their platform or trading software, which is called Traders Workstation, TWS for short, um, you may run into the issue where your time and sales to indicate whether it's a buy, they only have this little stupid ass dot, and then for a sell, it's another dot right there, and then if it's in between the bid, usually it's a white dot, but there's not a white dot somewhere. And coming from uh, Thinkorswim or even Dash Trader, they indicate their time and sales by coloring the last price or even further out other items, and whether it's white in between the bid, green, light green, so on and so forth, red. Um, so I wanted to know if you could change this dot to make either this red or the whole row red to indicate a sell, and so on and so forth. So I did some digging and I found this on the internet. I didn't keep the place I found it, but anyhow, so you go to global configuration, and then you come down. This would be like this. You come down to display, you open it up, and then you click on ticker row, and you uncheck display tick dots instead of colored prices. So you uncheck that, and it's checked by default. And then after you do that, you apply, and it will color each of the dots. Or not, there won't be dots, it'll color the prices. Now, when I did this, the only thing that was colored was this first one. So what else I had to do, I had to go over here into the settings menu in the individual time and sales indicator, and I had to check this box, because if you uncheck that box, then it's just going to color this first one for some weird reason. So I have no idea what this means. I just know when I click it, it allows you to get colored time and sales data. So there's that. And then you can also change the colors here, the background, the foreground. Now what I'm unsure of is what unreported means. I'm kind of thinking it means like a partially filled order, because if you change this to I think it's yellow originally. If you change it to yellow, I believe it's only like the oddly, yeah, see, like that's 25, 75, 25. The big ones don't really have, but see, there's a 9. I don't know. See, I don't know what unreported means, to be honest with you. But I just put it as white because I don't really want to see all those colors. I just want the red, the green, and the white. Yeah, that's how you fix the time and sales on Interactive Brokers platform.